At number 10 on our list is the Simthread All-Purpose Thread Polyester 400 yards, featuring both white and black threads. Sometimes, all you need for daily repair and mending is a simple thread and needle. This affordable all-purpose thread from Simthread is the perfect choice for any fabric, whether you're working with clothes, garments, jackets, or jeans. The Simthread polyester thread is versatile, working equally well with both machine and hand sewing. It's an ideal solution for everyday sewing projects, ensuring you have the essential black and white threads always at hand. Whether it's minor repairs or more substantial mending, Simthread all-purpose thread has got you covered. Coming in at number 9 on our list is the Singer Clear Invisible Nylon Sewing Thread, offering 135 yards of versatile, high-strength thread. This clear, 100% nylon thread is perfect for those times when you need an invisible stitch, eliminating the hassle of matching thread color to fabric. Ideal for machine quilting, crafting, and home decoration projects, this nylon thread is both durable and reliable. Its high strength and low stretch make it an excellent choice for stringing beads and making jewelry. With Singer Clear Invisible Nylon Sewing Thread, you can achieve professional results on a wide variety of projects. At number 8 on our countdown, we have the Simthread Embroidery Thread, boasting a massive 5,500 yards of black thread. Designed for a variety of embroidery machines, including Brother, Babylock, Janome, Singer, Pfaff, Husqvarna, and Bernina, this 40-weight, 100% polyester thread is the ultimate solution for your embroidery needs. With an extensive range of 170 vivid colors, the Simthread collection meets even the most demanding color requirements. The color chart allows you to seamlessly find and convert the exact shade you need, bringing your creative visions to life with premium quality threads. Each spool's huge 5,000-meter design ensures you have ample thread for even the largest or most prolonged projects. This high-quality thread is meticulously produced to meet CPSC standards, ensuring it's child-safe and environmentally friendly. Crafted with upgraded trilobal polyester and advanced technology, this thread excels at speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, boosting your work efficiency by 20%. For optimal performance, adjust stitch speed to 800 to 600 stitches per minute. Simthread Embroidery Machine Thread is your trusted companion, offering durability and vibrant colors that withstand daily wear and tear, including laundering, bleaching, rubbing, washing, and perspiration. If you encounter any issues, Simthread's dedicated customer service is ready to ensure your complete satisfaction. At number 7 on our countdown, we have the Paxcoo 124 Skeins Embroidery Floss Cross Stitch Thread with Needles. This comprehensive set is perfect for beginners, offering 124 skeins of embroidery threads and a set of gold eye needles. With approximately 100 vibrant colors per pack, this collection is ideal for friendship bracelets, string art, needlecraft projects, and cross-stitching. The embroidery floss is made of polyester cotton, providing a glossy and smooth finish that's easy to work with. Each skein measures 8 meters in length and includes 6 strands for added versatility. The set also includes 16 gold eye embroidery needles, sizes number 3 to number 9, perfect for cotton or ribbon embroidery. If you encounter any issues, simply click the Seller Contact button in your Amazon account to reach out. Paxcoo's customer service is ready to assist you promptly. At number 6 on our countdown, we present the Coats & Clark Extra Strong Upholstery Thread, featuring 150 yards of durable black thread. This heavyweight 100% nylon thread is perfect for both machine and hand sewing on indoor and outdoor heavyweight fabrics. Designed as a bonded 3-ply nylon thread, it offers exceptional resistance to weather, abrasion, and UV exposure, ensuring your projects withstand the elements. For optimal results, use a size 18 needle and increase the stitch length. Please note, packaging may vary. Coats & Clark Extra Strong Upholstery Thread is the reliable choice for your toughest sewing tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5 on our countdown, we have the Singer 60110 All-Purpose Polyester Thread, providing 150 yards of versatile black thread. Made from 100% polyester, this thread is imported and suitable for both hand and machine sewing. Its strength and flexibility make it ideal for most fabrics, particularly clothing. The compact packaging, measuring 3.556 centimeters in length, 9.398 centimeters in height, and 6.223 centimeters in width, ensures convenient storage. Choose Singer 60110 all-purpose polyester thread for your sewing projects and experience the quality and reliability that Singer is known for. At number 4 on our countdown, we have the Topaz Extra Strong Upholstery Repair Sewing Thread Kit and Heavy-Duty Household Hand Needles. This best-selling upholstery repair kit is perfect for carpets, canvas, upholstery, coats, tents, mattresses, furs, and leather. The kit includes 3 spools of waxed nylon thread, each with 70 yards of bonded 3-ply nylon thread for both hand and machine sewing on heavyweight fabrics, indoors or outdoors. You also get 7 heavy-duty curved upholstery needles in various sizes and shapes, designed to tackle a wide range of sewing tasks. For the best results, use the included heavy-duty needle and increase the stitch length. The thick, waxed thread ensures durability and strength for all your sewing projects. Remember to keep the hand-sewing thread out of the reach of children, as the needles are relatively sharp. Handle with care while removing and using them. The Topaz Extra Strong Upholstery Repair Sewing Thread Kit is your go-to solution for robust and reliable repairs around the house. At number 3 on our countdown, we have the new brothread Single Huge Spool, offering 5,000 meters of polyester embroidery machine thread in white. As one of the largest manufacturers of embroidery machine thread globally, new brothread provides over 1,500 colors in stock, now available in single huge spools to meet your specific needs. These threads boast color fastness, high strength, and exceptional luster, all thanks to their 100% polyester composition. The ideal 40 weight, 120D/2, and 5,000 meters length make this thread perfect for all embroidery machines, whether home-based, semi-industrial, industrial, or commercial. For home-based machine users, an upright thread stand or holder is recommended for proper thread feeding. New brothread also offers color conversion between Brother and Madeira colors, ensuring you get the right shades for your projects. The average suggested speed for this thread is 800 stitches per minute, but for those few colors requiring longer dyeing times, reducing the speed to around 600 stitches per minute can prevent thread breaking. Choose new brothread for your embroidery needs and enjoy the reliability and quality that professionals trust. At number 2 on our countdown, we have the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color Pack, featuring 50 skeins of vibrant and engaging rainbow colors. Each skein is 8.75 yards long and made from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, providing a 6-string thread perfect for a variety of projects. This embroidery floss is ideal for friendship bracelets, arts and crafts, cross-stitch, string art, tassels, and DIY projects for kids. It's the perfect embroidery kit for beginners, offering an array of vivid colors to inspire creativity. This set also makes a popular gift for family and friends who enjoy crafting. Plus, with 24/7 customer support, you can have peace of mind knowing assistance is always available. Choose the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color Pack for your next creative endeavor and experience the quality and variety it offers. And finally, at number 1 on our countdown, we have the Friendship Bracelet String, featuring 50 skeins of rainbow-colored embroidery floss. This pack includes every color you could need, from blue, green, and red to orange, pink, yellow, gray, black, and white. Each skein is made from flexible cotton floss, ensuring no pilling or falling apart, and offering a long storage time. Each floss is about 8.75 yards long and comes with color tags for easy identification. Perfect for making friendship bracelets, children's crafts, cross-stitch projects, tassels, and holiday decorations, this versatile floss set is ideal for kids, friends, moms, colleagues, and cross-stitch beginners. It's the best gift for loved ones to enjoy DIY embroidery together, creating meaningful experiences and beautiful crafts. Choose the Friendship Bracelet String for your next project and enjoy the vibrant colors and quality it offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.